It's P-Way's mission for the long haul.
Everybody's got something. I love how you found something to share with others. College swimmer, you attended Yale. How did you get into trucking?
Well, I was traveling the world, and I wanted to keep traveling. I wanted to see America. I had a friend said, hey, you should drive a truck. It suits your nomadic lifestyle. And next thing you know, I was in the truck.
And next thing you know, you were gaining weight and things like that. And is this how you came up with this concept?
I did. I gained 10.7% of my body weight in the first 2 months of my driving career. So that was the moment I realized I had to take responsibility for my health while I was out on the road. And I also realized there's millions of other truck drivers who are facing the same problem.
Well, let's meet two of them.
Okay.
Let's meet Carlos and Tom. Carlos and Tom. All right, so tell us your story here. So what was your situation, Carlos?
I was very overweight. Just trucking lifestyle is rough on us.
And how much did you lose?
I lost over 50 pounds.
50 pounds? And this is weight that you gained trucking?
Yes, right after I got out of the military, I gained a lot of this weight.
Thank you for your years of service in the military.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
that. Weight you lost and what motivated you?
18 pounds.
Really? Yeah. And you said you'd always, we see the pictures beforehand. You said you always had kind of had an issue with your...
Yes. Unfortunately. I am.
A lot of people are like that. And you said you saw a picture with your wife and that's what told you
Yes.
You had to do something different?
Yes, Robin. When I saw that picture, I was like, it's time
this
for
picture right here?
Yeah. It's time for a change. Not just for myself, but for my kids, for my wife, for my family. I needed to get healthy, so that's what motivated me to.
Bless you. You don't have to just be a trucker to benefit from this. You're going to show us a couple quick exercises?
Yeah, we're going to show you what you can do. Our drivers, they're on the road 300 days, so we had to bring the gym to the truck. So Carlos is going to do lunges. This is something you can do on the side of his truck, but you can do this at your desk. You can do this in a hotel room, right? So these lunges, they're working all the leg muscles, okay? And it's helping to build mitochondria. That's what you need to burn fat. Okay, so while Carlos, keep doing your lunges. Tom is going to shadow box, okay? This is my favorite exercise. It's fun. The key is keep going. Okay? Engaging the fat burning system. And you want to do it with as much intensity as you can do. 4 minutes is all you need to turn your metabolism on.
And it really lets out some frustration, doesn't it, Tom? Like that. Thank you so much for sharing this. And the 4 Minute Fit hits bookstores tomorrow. But today, you all